Welcome to my next installment with your favorite video personality. And if I'm not yet, well, maybe someday. Everyone has to have dreams, right? Anyway, just wanted to post another video to follow up what I had posted earlier today. The first two videos were focused on gaining access and developing a team within Microsoft Teams for your students. There was an edit to my post to share with you that if you did dig through all of the teams that were there, one of them does, for each of your class periods, does contain your students. They were uploaded. Notice that I had one that I created for all of my students to join. That was based on kind of the driving force behind the decisions that our 8th grade red team is making to try to reduce the number of pathways that our students have to traverse because they haven't had to learn digitally. So the fewer places that they have to go, the less confusion that is out there. So we talked this afternoon in our team meeting and really went forward with creating one group for all of our students to be in Microsoft Teams. So one team for our entire team to join, because if the adults are in there as well, students don't have to have an access code for every one of their content areas. They have one access code, one Microsoft Teams group to be in, and this alleviated the issue of having class period hours of availability only being open to one Microsoft team at a time. And if anybody knows how to cross those over, I would love to hear that. I couldn't get past that hurdle. And at this point in time, we're only using this as a communication outlet, a way for our students to reach us, contact us, get their help, and feel like they have that connection still to the outside world. So the organizational elements of having assignments and grading and things like that, those tabs are not as important to us at this point in time. So we're keeping it pretty straightforward. Anyway, moving on from that, sorry. 2.5 minutes is way too long to just listen to me talk. I wanted to share how we are scheduling our class times with you so that you can see how to set up a meeting in the calendar, and I will then show you how students can access that as well. So I've gone into I just have my team open currently. You can see that I've already started scheduling meetings just as practice, because this is all new to me as well. We do have 2 time slots in a day that we have availability for our students. So I'm going to show you how to create one. You can see I have this started but not finished for the purpose of this video. In the calendar, if you click on a time slot that you would like to make available, you will be able to go in and just select that time slot. So give it a name. Starting on the 8th at 11:30 until noon. This is one of those times where the language arts and science teacher are together in the class period for the students to meet with us. And then I've changed the occurrence to happen every day. Like I said, we have 2 time slots in the day for 30 minutes that we get on here for students. We do have one in the evening. That's just our choice for students for their availability. But anyway, so we have every Monday through Friday at 11:30. I have that set up there. And it's here at the add channel part where I'm going to add my team of students so that they get this notification and are able to join the meeting as well. And then you can type in some information about class period or what your purpose is, your agenda, however you want to utilize that space for details. And then you just click send, and it's going to automatically post this in your calendar, which you accessed over here in the first place. And it's going to also make it available to the students. On your side, to access this, you can click on it and just click the join button here in the upper right. That will allow you to begin going into these and conducting your meetings. Now I'm going to take a moment here and show you what it looks like on the student side. I think that's important to see so that you know what the kids are going to encounter when they're logged in so that you can help them as well. So on my son's account, thank goodness for having a child that is in the district and at Wilbur to use as an example for you guys. Here is that 8th grade red team part that I had used my son's account to log into to show you how to join a team in the previous video. So if he were to click into this one, you'll see that these meetings that are taking place were posted here. And so he would be able to go right to this list of posts and click join. And as soon as he clicks that, he'll be off and running into that. After he clicks join again here, hey, he'll be able to just go right into that meeting from this list of posts. Okay. There is another way for them to access that and to accept those invitations. And that's here with this meeting off to the side. If they were to click the more options, they can look at the meeting details. And from there, they can add to their calendar if they so chose to have these meetings scheduled for themselves. And if this would work really well if you needed to schedule specific appointments and you wanted them to accept that. I mean, this functionality is there for you to determine how you want to use it. I'm just here to help you see what it is that they have available to them and how they can access it. So please be creative. Please share what you're doing that it might be different than what I have found or discovered. I am open to learning more, and I do hope that this has helped some of you. And if you need any more help, have questions, of course, we have amazing folks that are working with us with Kale and Kelly, but I am also here to help. So please let me know if there's any way that I can support you as well, because as we keep seeing and posting, we are in this together, and anything that I can do to make your transition easier, I am here for. I'll talk to you guys later.